अरे
There's not much solitary business happening there.
Yes, you were a big cheerleader, obviously, for this. Now, what did you feel when he's going to take his trip today on stage? So,
actually, I'm in a great position to take her trip right now.
why is that?
Yeah.
So, what was your reaction when you first heard that
She actually had spoken to her about. She told me about the book while she was writing it, and this, she I think had met a few of the usual suspects, me being one of them, to figure out what to write, how to write it, etc. So I don't know what I spoke. I don't remember. It was a very long session, and. Anyway, so then, but I was very impressed by the fact that she's actually writing a book on this.
Yeah.
And it's out now, and I'm still waiting to really read it. I've just kind of glimpsed through it. And my reaction was that, wow, and I knew that she's an intelligent girl, because she's been to the same college as me.
Not in the same college.
So, but she was talking with a great deal of perception, and I think my feeling was that this book, if written well, is going to be very helpful for those millions of people who want to become actors.
Absolutely. And another interesting comment was that you said it saves groping in the dark time, really. Was that what it was all about, really? Like when newcomers come to Bombay, who are you really targeting this book at?
Essentially, two sorts of people. Cinema, as you know, other than cricket, is a sort of religion for Indians. And you get asked all kinds of inane questions. I mean, they're inane to us because we're so used to those sort of things that we take for granted. For example, they ask you things like, "आप shooting के बाद आपके कपड़ों का क्या होता है?" And you're thinking, मतलब क्या होता है? Dress man लेके चला जाता है हम क्या होता है? But they ask you questions like that, and then they ask you कि आप बार-बार वही shot करते जाते हैं, आप बोर नहीं होते हैं? So the film buff. Is not your duffer person who comes and watches movies. They also want to know कि पीछे से क्या होता है. जब हमको तो आपने edit करके इतना सा director जब कहानी बताता है तो that's only like maybe 2 or 3 or 5% of what the director wants you to see. So he's pieced together what is relevant to the story. But there are many, because life is happening also as it's happening. The matrix of life is unfolding. So there are relationships being formed. There's, a dress man who can, sing, and there's somebody else who's the ambassador of Greece has come and visited the shoot, and he's, how he's a Bollywood buff and he's seen Sholay 17 times, and so all these kinds of interesting things that Hindi movies do to people. And in Russia something is happening, and so it's affecting the world. So it's all that goes in. So for the film buff who's interested in knowing what actually happens at the heart of movies, plus also for the aspiring actor, obviously. So groping in the dark for sure, because there is a great deal of areas which are unfamiliar and uncharted. So I would hope that there would be some kind of flag posts to say. Of course, there's no.
A little bit of a game plan, so to speak.
Yeah, but because it is a creative field, you can't really say that, okay, I went to IIT and then I went to IIM and then I got picked up from campus recruitment and then so and so. There isn't such a game plan for an actor. Many actors get recruited in coffee shops, and Imtiaz goes to Prague to cast non-Indian actors, whatever. So he
all the ticket prices to Prague are all going to shoot up now. He said, okay, this is going to happen to me as well. Do you want to also kind of maintain a little bit of the reality of that situation? Does that really happen that much?
Ask him about the casting couch.
Yeah, I'd like to speak about the casting couch now.
That's what everyone wants to know.
Yeah, just save it for the last.
Everybody wants to know about the casting couch.
Yeah,
everybody wants to know about the casting.
But one thing I'd like to say about all that Fiska said right now, it gave me the impression that the book is also written to tell the world how hard an actor works. Because she said with a lot of disgust that directors keep only this much of the edited portion. There are so many takes and so much that goes on, we work so hard. So somebody, you have to tell the world that, we work so hard. It's not only that these 2 minutes that have been taken to shoot this scene of 2 minutes. But yeah, so a lot of myths, or a lot of questions, I think, for people, and everybody's interested. People in villages want to know. ये बार बार करते हैं, वो क्यों करते हैं? बहुत सुना बड़ा boring होता है shooting. I don't know why is it so boring, and how can I get tired of gaping at my star after 5 minutes? घर जाते हैं, you know. So they don't know what this guy does behind what happens, of course. But you know, there are also certain more insightful things over there than the obvious. For instance, I think it was Robert De Niro who was asked why actors who work the least in a film unit perhaps get paid the most. So, because you hardly work. So he said, well, we are not paid for acting. That we would do anyway, free of cost. We get paid for waiting. Nobody waits as much as us. And what happens when you are on the set for so long, waiting, preparing? That is one thing that is very intriguing, you know. And that, I think, also in some sort of a way, sitting in on the side makes your performance better or worse, makes your profession and your life better or worse. I couldn't be an actor because of that, I think.
Because of the waiting.
Because what do you do, man?
Yeah, you want to reply to that? It's not just about the waiting.
I was going to say that there's other reasons that he didn't become an actor, but more on that later.
Because I had the talent to direct, unlike some people.
I think the waiting can be arduous. Having said that, there is a whole lot of this idea of serious actor, dramatic actors staying in character, and then people walking around with this big cloud on their head and holding this posture or body language. I've always found that rather odd.
Also, you don't buy into that
I don't think so. It doesn't. Maybe that's not my method, but there must be somebody's method, obviously, because people do it and it does work. However, I do think that what Anupam Kher said to me when I met him, I think my second day in Bombay, I'd gone along with his makeup man to meet him because he was the only star I had the chance to encounter. So he said, actor बनने आई हो? अच्छा बहुत अच्छा. Like reading books, I said yeah a lot. He said very good. And किसी भी टाइम सो सकती हो? Sir, looked at him. I said किसी के साथ या ऐसे अकेले? He said नहीं अकेले अपने आप के साथ जल्दी से सो सकती हो? So he said, I said हाँ खड़े भी सो सकती हो. So he said good, then you can survive the film industry because it's about how much you can actually get to rest between, because it's excruciatingly painful to wait for sometimes 5 or 6 hours, waiting for magic hour, 4 baje, subah, sham, agla shot, sham ko, 5 baje. So you have to wait for certain set conditions or wait for snow to fall so that you can get a fresh patch of snow. Other such things which and then you find, because people in who actually becomes an actor, somebody who thinks he's special, somebody who thinks he's got an oddball gift, somebody who thinks कि अपने गली कूचे में हम तो entertainer ही है, हम तो और हमको यही करना है. Somebody with quirks and somebody who's got something going on, खलबली going on inside. So then you put a bunch of these kind of people together, तो कुछ तो खटपट होगी, कुछ ego, कुछ trouble, कुछ मस्ती, कुछ something will happen. And sometimes a strange harmony occurs and fantastic friendships are formed and a magical piece of work happens, and so it's all of that. So it's this exploring this whole dynamic, the harmonizing, the disharmony, the various things that can happen.
No, and talking about egos, Imtiaz, we were talking about you earlier, as you probably figured, and she said, you're a very old, pure soul. So she said good things about you also.
No.
So she said you're a very old, pure soul, and very zen-like. So how do you manage to be so zen-like in the midst of all these egos? Because the film industry is full of big egos.
You know what, I have only good things to say about people in the film industry, unfortunately, because I think they've been very good and appreciative. Nobody has really accepted me in the way that the film industry has, I think. Even college there was politics.
Have you tried other places?
Even interesting.
Not the ones you've tried, Tiska, but I've tried some, okay?
Lots of ouch moments here today, obviously. And movies are of course about creating magic, and I think that's what happens. And the waiting game, I'm assuming, is not part of that magic. But for a lot of people, it's waiting also for that right role. So we were talking about this as well, and
Sure.
when is there a fine line between being determined to succeed and being delusional about it?
So there's no answer. Really, there's no answer. I have seen so many people at RTO being agents now. Actor बनने आया था, so you go to make your driving license renewal thing, and he does the job, and he says, "Sir, कोई role होगा तो दीजिएगा." I had come to become an actor, and Bombay, and especially the west of Bombay, is teeming with people like that. And then my mother used to say I look better than Dave Gunn. So why not me? There's no answer. Maybe him, yeah, who knows? And the amount of time that you can spend depends on who you are, what kind of person you are, how much money you have, and a lot of other factors. How irresponsible can you, how much guilt can you take of just sitting and doing nothing? You can't, an actor, I think a big tragedy of being an actor is that you can't do it alone. A singer, thanks. Actor ऊपर light नहीं दे रहे हो यार. हाँ. So a singer can do riyaz. A director or a writer can think, he can write down, he can do short. Every creative artist can do something alone, I think. Even a dancer can dance, An actor can't do, it's stupid. It's not the same thing. He needs interaction, he needs another actor perhaps, or a script, somebody to write, or a director. You need a team to...
You need energy to feed off.
Exactly.
And an audience.
And and an audience perhaps. So see, an audience even a dancer would need, but an actor would need a script at least. He's not a writer, he's not going to write his own script. And he needs somebody to act with.
I'm sure there have been low points also, right? So what do you have to say about that? Is it about the quality rather than the quantity? Or?
I would say read the book, because it's precisely this that is the crux, and amongst the many other things that the book talks about. There's something Bimal Parekh, you know Bimal, right? He's the industry's best kept secret. He's the CA to the stars, so he's Amir Khan's, this, that, everybody's chartered accountant, and he tells them how to plan their money. And also because he's so wise, and he says, I like to see my actors make money, and he advises them on many things. So Amir, for example, will not, this is off record, huh?
In a room full of media people.
Yes. And now everybody is recording.
Everybody is pressing record. So he won't buy a chewing gum without his permission, so as to say. So Bimal said something which is very pertinent. He said, I was asking him about what are the essentials of a contract for an actor. So he said, the first essential is to have an exit clause. But he said more important is to have an exit clause to your struggle. He says, I've seen far too many 40-year-old strugglers in Bombay. And that just, kind of stayed with me, that people continue to struggle, with this hope of finding the promised land. And bas kal ho jayega, bas kal ho jayega. And talking of RTO, there's this interesting story about this guy called Abdul Bastar, who's the industry's brand ambassador to the RTO. आप जाइए कटिंग चाय पीजिए उनके साथ, और वो आपका ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस रिन्यू कराना, जो भी कराना है RTO में वो करा देंगे. आपका व्हीकल, कुछ स्पेशल नंबर चाहिए आपको आपकी गाड़ी के लिए, वो दिला देंगे, सब कुछ कर देंगे. And he nearly did a film with Rani Mukherjee till the producers, 2 days before the film was supposed to start, the producer's office was raided for tax, and the film never started. And so today, and then there's so many people who've nearly done a film with Shah Rukh, nearly done a film with Salman, and nearly done a, so there's so many nearlies. And then people buy into this story about how Kangana Ranaut was picked up at a coffee shop by Anurag Basu, and she actually was. But will you get picked up? Will that happen to you? We don't know, but is there another way to do it to make sure that good things will happen to you? So there are, there's theatre, there's solid hard work, there's other ways to go about it. So that's the kind of stuff I've tried to discuss.
And also, persistence obviously pays. We know that. People, I'm sure there have been weird incidences also. People just, getting into your space a little bit too much as well. Does that happen with you? Like asking you for a role, things like that. Does that happen at all?
It used to happen before, when I used to also secretly enjoy it a little bit.
You secretly enjoy it.
Yeah, attention seeker.
Attention
But
seeker.
then after I think a month of being the director, I lost that. And weird stories have happened more to more weird people, like my other friend directors, Anurag Kashyap and all. Yeah. But not so much to me. People want, the point is that they will want to talk to you. They will want you to tell you that I want to act in your movie, or I want to assist you or be a part of the movie that you're making in any capacity. Of course they will. I mean, I have no right to, and tomorrow when I'm looking for a particular kind of character, I'll be stalking people. It is always I feel, a bigger deal for a director to cast somebody rather than for that actor to get cast, because I'm looking at something very specific. And I can't even explain it to the world that why I'm looking for that, So it's an equal thing. So it's in my business to keep in touch. So I can't get pissed off about it. But yeah, I cannot only be doing that because I also have my work, the main work to do. So I feel that what I've done is that I've just tried to make it clear that to Abhi now I am not casting, so I can't cast. That kind of thing.
Okay, so you draw.
Yeah, and I think the only thing that works, because I came into the city and I was calling people, I still call people, people still don't take my calls. That will continue for life. So I know where that guy is coming
People
from.
who don't take your call, they'll be very interested to know who these people are.
Okay.
Off camera, off record.
You'll know. But so I know where he's coming from. And what would I have said to myself in that situation is what I try to say, that casting is over. I'm going to shoot now, obviously I'm not casting. And that word goes around, and I've found that the most persistent actors, once you, or not only actors but anybody, once you tell them what the true picture is and then they are convinced, they stop.
Just also there was a very interesting point pointed out. There are some people who also like the struggle, you feel, or who just kind of give in to the struggle, the eternal strugglers.
I think there's a personality type, there are, like in anything else. There's personality types. Like कुछ लोग होते हैं वो सुबह निकलेंगे और यहाँ जाएंगे वहाँ जाएंगे रोज दूसरी शक्ल लेके the whole idea is कि हम पर पता है क्या यहाँ पे तो ना स्टार के बच्चों को ही काम मिलता है पर पता है यही होता है यहाँ पे आप पहले से ही जा रहे हो ना लेके अपने दिमाग में तो what the hell are you expecting, and then you come back and you feel very satisfied with the fact that you've gone to 10 places, and because you've gone for that. You've not gone to crack the code. You've not gone to excel. You've not gone to say, okay, let me see how far I can push myself. You've gone because you had decided to go to 10 places. आप खाना पूर्ति करने गए थे. Like बाबू कि मैं 10 बजे पहुंचूंगा और 5 बजे मेरा टाइम हो गया, फाइल हटाओ साइड करो, मेरे को जाना है घर. पर एक्टिंग उस तरह का काम ही नहीं है. आपको जिस तरह का फतूर और जुनून जिसकी ज़रूरत है, which is of an insane kind. Like for example, one of the actors I spoke to, he was working as a chemical engineer in some petrochem factory, and one fine day went to see a play, and he said कि करना है तो मेरे को यही करना है, जिंदगी में और कुछ करना ही नहीं है. And then he went to Delhi. He left his job. He was an engineer. He quit and he went to Delhi and started working as a night watchman in Shadra in a plastic factory, and watched 200 plays before he could approach the director to give him a tiny role where he was doing backstage. Then he did 1,000 plays before he joined NSD. So I mean, they love the job. They don't care कि अब इसका आगे क्या होगा. आपको एक्टिंग में ही इतने मजे आ रहे हैं, आपको आगे क्या होता है वो होगा जो होगा. यार मेरे को तो इसी में मजे आ रहे हैं. Inevitably, the idea is that are you so goal driven or are you process driven?
Exactly.
You know, so if you're enjoying the act of doing acting, if you enjoy giving a laugh, क्या आप हंस दिए ना? अब मेरे को बड़ा मजा आ गया. So then that is the fun. That is the fun of acting. That you make people laugh, you make them cry, you give them little yayas, so they go back thinking हाँ कुछ different experience आया जिंदगी का, जो हमने जिंदगी को इस तरीके से देखा नहीं था. So if you enjoy that, then you are good to be an actor. But if you are thinking कि मेरे पास 7 series गाड़ी होगी और मैं ऐसे पेंटहाउस में रहूँगा, पापा को दिखाऊंगा मैं कि मैं फिर कुछ और ही कर लो, स्टॉक मार्केट या
So I think that the process of struggle is some sort of a process of deselection. But at the same time, it's unfortunate that there's very little space on top. You know, the fallout ratio or the probability ratio is very little.
So you want to make sure people understand that.
People understand that, and yeah, and definitely, I think she must have written, because she was talking so intelligently, she must have written the book well. The fact is that, yeah, don't come for the wrong reasons, man.
Yeah.
Don't come for casting couch, for instance.
We're back to a very important point. So does it exist or not? Who's going to answer that
Okay,
question?
I'm going to answer that question first, because it's a deeper hurt in me than her, I'm sure. Okay, then I've been to Hindu in Delhi and all of that. Yeah, lambi kahani hai, pani wani pee lete hain. The point is that, so my friends, I'd never seen anybody who'd even seen shooting. So then I come here and I become a director in movies. Now all my old friends want to know.
That's what everyone wants to do.
Right?
With the real
So then listen, did you, that one, did it happen? These beautiful, glamorous girls come and, they want to meet you, man. And you're a film director. The point is, I've never been even propositioned or hinted at about casting couch by any girl. Never. It's so unfortunate. And then when I tell my friends that don't believe it, they say, "Yaar, come on." I said, it's not that I'm sage, but it's never happened. And then all my other friends keep telling me that, what are you saying? It happened and all that. But it doesn't happen to me. So I'm really hurt about the fact that, to my knowledge, casting couch doesn't exist. I've never seen it, man. I've only heard. I asked Sunny Deol once, that you've been in the industry for so long. Casting couch, see, two people get interested or whatever shit, that's not casting couch. But does casting couch exist? So he says, hote hi hoga. So I said, no, but aapne dekha hai, do you have direct evidence? He said, no, actually no, I've only heard. So now he's born to the film industry. So he also had, and now I feel that any girl who actually hints or propositions the fact that she's going to sleep with me for a role, I'll just not cast her. अब इतना खराब हो गया ना, दिल इतना खराब हो चुका है. No, because what's happening is that it's something is not right. For instance, somebody says, please take me for a role, please, I beg of you, मैं मर रहा हूँ भूख से. My first instinct is that does he really respect himself? Does he know what he's talking about? Is he begging? I get pissed off. Somehow I feel it's not right. I think a girl or a guy being in a situation like that and offering that, it's the wrong energy.
So casting couch is an urban legend, at least from what India seems to be seeing. Tiska has a different viewpoint on this one.
I do completely. I think that it is very, very much existent, but it's existent in almost every business. It's there in the airlines, it's there in the corporate sector, I'm sure it's there in everything. It's a question of the fact that actors are far more visible, better looking and easier to talk about and more fun to talk about. So it gets talked about and magazines sell because, so and so, and so and so. So who's interested if, some corporate type is unless they're like some very well-known corporate types. So the point is that which is one of the, that was a key point. I was speaking to Raju Hirani and Abhijat Joshi, who's his writer, the writer of Munna Bhai and also PK, the film that's coming up and all of that. He said, वो इधर उधर घूम रहे थे when I was speaking to Raju, तो he came, चलते हुए आ गए और वो वहाँ पे बैठ गए, and he came and he sat down with like heavens कि मेरे को इस बारे में बोलना है. So when Raju was speaking, वो बीच बीच में ऐसे आते जाते रहे, like you know कि अभी मैं बोलूँगा, and then he said कि ना ये वाला point, एक second, ये वाला point जरूर बोलना कि कोई भी serious director आपको एक 20, 30, 40 करोड़ की फिल्म के लिए कोई चीज जो कुछ हजारों में उसको मिल जाएगी या you know easily मिल जाती, which is we're talking about a sexual encounter, why would he want to risk that? So it is actually a con game. वो आपको बता रहे हैं कि आपको रोल मिल जाएगा, पर अगर वो रोल शायद आपको वैसे भी मिल जाता अगर आपको मिलना है, और अगर नहीं मिलना है तो फिर आपको साइड में लैंप पोस्ट बना के खड़ा कर देंगे और इस डर से कि आप अपना मुंह खोल देंगे और बता देंगे 10 लोगों के कि आपको वो रोल भी कैसे मिला, वो आपको शायद उधर से भी जल्दी से 1 या 2 दिन में रफा दफा कर देंगे.
I totally agree. I completely agree.
So how does one handle?
Please, you will get the answer to that. इससे ज़्यादा हम आपको आज नहीं बता सकते.
Okay then, good teaser. Should we ask? You will go across to the.
For Imtiaz, I was just
Carry on.
Yeah, I was just discussing with Tiska about, you know, the difference between a star and being an actor. There is a difference. Like they say, most all stars are, you know, not all actors can be stars. So on that note, it is very important now. Probably the things have changed, but you know, being good-looking, the conventional beauty that Bollywood had once admired, and I think still is a little, you know. On that note, do you think that becomes a big factor also? How you look. A lot of people focus a lot on that. You know, now with obviously the six-pack and you know being fit and all that is okay. But just the fact that you are beautiful, and since I look so good, I can be an actor because there are a lot of actors, female or male, who are good-looking yet might not be great. You know, a lot of stars who might not be that great actors. So that kind of inspires them. A lot of people say that. Anything that you want to comment on it?
Yeah, a good look is not acting, for sure. Everyone who's good looking cannot be an actor, or should not be going into acting. At the same time, an actor looking good, the best that he can, and different things is great. There's no problem with an actor being good looking either. But I do understand, out of my experience in watching movies from various cultures, that it's not only it's not like Shah Rukh was not supposed to be very good looking, right? Or Bachchan Saab,
Sure.
when they came into the film industry. There are only very few very successful actors. In fact, there are more people who were not supposed to be good looking who've been really successful as star actors.
Sure.
You know, I'm not talking about the others
Sure.
only. So there is a correlation of some sort, but I think more than everything else, it's about acting. I feel that when an actor does his job well, he looks good.
Sure. I just got to add and modify the question for you a little bit. A lot of strugglers who come into the industry only want to be the leading actor. Now even that poses a problem, like you might not fit into the particular leading actor's role or character, but you still don't want to be like a second lead because that's a second lead. You want to debut as the lead. That poses a lot of issues as well, don't you think so? Because you know, if you're an actor, you would be comfortable doing anything. Precisely.
It's a very good question, and also it is a struggle that many people go through. The concept of pure acting, I mean, if I were to talk about just acting, should be largely devoid of ego, because when you're assuming another, almost taking on another life into yourself, right next to your skin, so that you are almost not there, but another person is living in you, and so much so that you're dreaming that person's dreams. That real does that other life become to you. There's not much place left for ego, but if you're constantly planning and contriving and saying कि इससे मैं यहाँ पहुँचूँगी और इससे मेरे साथ ये होगा वो होगा, career moves and ये सब, I think that if you put in a very special kind of heart and soul into a performance, even if it's 2 scenes or 4 scenes, there's something about the truth which is just so visible to the audience. They will take you home with them.
Yeah.
That will just go. It happened to me one time in Tare where my role was not huge, but throughout I believed so much in that story, and I had a brilliant director, and I could believe that story completely. So it was not a very hard jump for me, and I really was dying to do good work. There was nothing more important in my life at that point other than that film. I was ready to, like, we were supposed to shoot for 1 month, we shot for 8 months. And so I didn't mind nothing, you know, kahin pe bhi shoot karo, kuch bhi karo, din, raat, subah, sham, it did nothing matter. It was just ke, haan, ye bahut maze aa rahe hain. Those few precious moments that you got to do, try out a few different things with the character was just so much fun. So, and it opened up the gates of much more work. So I think the important thing is that people are beginning to recognize that. Actors are beginning to recognize that the opportunity will come from where? स्ट्रीम के साइड पे बैठ के तो स्विमिंग सीख ही नहीं सकते ना. मझधार में आओगे तभी तो आप सीखोगे कि यहाँ पत्थर है, यहाँ पे बड़ी मछलियाँ हैं, यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे ये, और इस तरह से स्विमिंग सीखनी. और टक्कर भी खाओगे, गलत भी करोगे, अच्छा भी करोगे, but that's how you will learn. There is actually no other real way, concrete way to learn how to practice the craft, except with real people. As he said, it's in that sense a community activity. So I think part of what I've also discussed in the book is this, that there is a chapter called Star versus the Actor. So we'll discuss that at length from many people's perspective. Shabana ji spoken about it, Anil has spoken about it, many people have spoken about it.
Just another rate. Even she says, I don't think it comes easier. Would you agree? The director also person.
See, it says, I think a director's job is in that direction for sure. That he should at least create an atmosphere which is conducive to somebody performing well, an actor acting well. Yeah, of course, yeah. I think it's a collaboration. Just like an actor acting well makes the film better, right?
Sure.
So who's doing whose job? There's an overlapping area over there.
You want to say something?
I'd like to add to that.
Sure.
I've spent about 5 or 6 hours when we were talking about the book with Imtiaz. There's a particular kind of energy that he has. He likes you as you are. There is no sense of wanting to alter you in any way. And you know, it's that letting somebody be with or without, wherever you are in your growth process, or you know, whatever mistakes you're making or however you're going, and that letting be creates a sense of trust and freedom, wherein you're able to come up with a lot better of yourself. And the acting process is about this sort of trust, I feel. That it's like how I understand it is, correct me if I'm wrong, is like there's a pipe, which is the director, and there's a tap, which is the actor. It is out of the actor that the director's emotion must flow. Because ultimately it's the director who sees the larger picture, because only he can actually see the film in his head. The actor can only at best see it fractionally. और if you're more evolved तो आप थोड़ा और ज़्यादा देख लोगे, पर actor को हमेशा लगा रहता है कि इसमें तो मेरा कुछ काम ही नहीं है, मतलब मेरी तो लाइनें ही नहीं है यहाँ पे, और मेरा एंगल ठीक नहीं है, वो थोड़ा माइक्रो पर्सपेक्टिव होता है. But when it comes to a director, he can see it, and if you can trust that he's going to do the best for this whole thing, and so if you and the director can sort of fuse like a pipe and a tap, then that the emotion that he's trying to extract from you will come out very beautifully, and that trust, when it's formed, can be a very solid bond. you know. So that's something which he, in that longish evening that I spent with him, it was, you know, I could sense that great sense of warmth that he creates. No. उसकी बात बस और नहीं अच्छी बात है.
This was a Tali moment.
The inane word back actually, because it's inane, or rather it seemed to be inane to me, but I do understand that people have less knowledge and we take it for granted कि भी कपड़ों का क्या होता है, ड्रेस मैन ले जाता है, हम तो छोड़ देते हैं शूटिंग वाले, you know, अपने मेकअप रूम में और चले जाते हैं. My parents, always when I told them I want to be an actor, my dad, I still remember the look on his face. He looked at me and he said, "Really? Actor? Why?" You know, all those years back. Because he just couldn't understand why I wanted to be an actor. He thought it was a very silly thing to do. He thought कुछ IFS में जाएगी या IRS में जाएगी, कुछ अच्छा काम करेगी लाइफ में, ये क्या कर रही है, कॉला एक्टिंग क्या है, ये क्या है. हमारी फैमिली में कोई, there was nobody who became an actor, and they always thought that I would be a journalist, or you know, like Christiane Amanpour, or closer home like Barkha Dutt, you know, cover important stories and do something, दुनिया को बदलूंगी किसी तरह से. But all I really wanted to do was act, and so there was a natural proclivity to writing, and then I'm a literature student from the illustrious college that Imtiaz studied in, and so it was always, writing was always, I say that acting is my boyfriend. I have to chase acting a lot. Writing is like my husband, it's always around. You know, so my husband's sitting right here, and
I said that's another Tali moment. Right there.
Anyone else? Question? Okay, yeah.
There's this intriguing concept, this intriguing thing that you're
it's
talking
a hit, wasn't it?
Yeah,
It did well.
It did
about.
well.
Not the kind of acclaim that it deserved. I think everybody knows it.
You know, you're beginning to scare me. Today is my book launch. I'm, you know, suddenly my toes curled in my shoe, and I was like, "Hi, ये क्या बोल रहा है यार? ऐसे मत बोलो यार."
There has been no easy way of doing that. See, what happens is when you make a movie, when Zoya was making Lag by Chance, her intention was to not really educate the audience as much as it was to make an interesting film, right? But the intention of this particular book is not that. It's not a fiction story that she's written, in which the actor happens to, the prime character happens to be an actor. Over here, this is about this, you know, and so this potentially, you know, she's made it very easy for me actually, because a lot of people who ask these questions, and I would, if I wasn't here, I'm going to just say buy this book. You know, it's Acting Smart by Tiska Chopra. Pick it up, read it, man.
So if you want to be an actor,
Checks on the way, Imtiaz.
yeah. So if you want to be an actor, follow your heart, but remember it's all about acting smart, right? Is that any?
Your checks in the mail too.
My next mail too. That's always good to hear. Is there any last word?
Thank you all so much for coming. There are only 40 books available here. I will sign them if you want or not. So please buy copies. Thank you all so much for being here and being such an attentive audience. I hope you had fun.
Thank you.
Perfect. Okay, thank you, sir. Oh, very nice. Ma'am, here, ma'am. Here, look here.
Thank you.
Ma'am, here, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you.
Hey. Excuse me, sir. Imtiaz sir, here.
Thank you, sir.
बढ़िया ले
Did you guys enjoy the session? Were you all in? हाँ? आप लोग सब अंदर थे? मजा आया? मस्ती? Unfortunately, I'm very unfortunate. Because one is Cynthia wants to make a picture. Cynthia wants to make a picture. Go and cut.
And in this color, beautiful, very very nice.
Thoughtful, huh?
Very thoughtful, and it had the pearls and all.
वो
Your
तो
idea or her idea?
लेकिन वो तो क्रश हो गया था बड़े-बड़े.
Very nicely packed. Yep.
इम्तियाज जी, सबसे पहले तो गणतंत्र दिवस का आपको ढेरों शुभकामनाएं. आज आप यहाँ पर आए, कैसा रहा प्रोग्राम? हमने तो सुना बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या कहेंगे?
आप लोगों को अंदर नहीं आने दिया?
हाँ दिया था सर.
हाँ, नहीं मतलब बहुत अच्छा रहा. एंड मैडम की किताब है, मैडम गिर रही हैं. तो बहुत अच्छा रहा. कुछ बहुत मतलब की बातें हुई, और मुझे मालूम है कि इस किताब के अंदर बहुत कुछ ऐसा मतलब का है. बहुत सारे लोग एक्टर्स बनना चाहते हैं, और मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर नॉट सक्सेसफुल. एंड ज़्यादातर लोग बहुत अपना वक्त बर्बाद कर देते हैं, पहुंच नहीं पाते, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. तो मुझे ये थॉट ही बहुत बड़ा लगता है कि इसके बारे में एक किताब लिखी जाए, और कोई एक्टर लिखे ये किताब जो हर दौर, हर तरह से इस इंडस्ट्री को देख चुका है, बाहर से, अंदर से, हर तरह से.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे किताब के बारे में? जितना जो भी आपने पढ़ा, जितना डिस्कशन,
इसमें जो चैप्टर्स हैं बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग हैं. देखिए, मेरी आवाज़ सुनो, विच इज़ स्टार्टिंग आउट, और ये चला मुरारी हीरो बनने, वाई एक्टिंग, इम्तिहान, द ऑडिशन, यू नो, ये सब अलग अलग चीज़ें आप कैसे डील करते हो. कास्टिंग काउच, हाँ, जिसका नाम इन्होंने जिस्म रखा है. सो दीज आर वेरी रेलिवेंट क्वेश्चंस, पीपल वांट टू नो. कोई क्लियर पिक्चर देता नहीं है, कोई सामने आके कहता नहीं है कि मैं कह रहा हूँ कि ऐसा है, और कहता है तो एक बंदे से कहता है. तो इन्होंने किताब ही लिख दी है. सो हालांकि हर आदमी का एक्सपीरियंस अलग होगा इस इंडस्ट्री में, मगर लगभग जो एक्सपीरियंस है इस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का, वो इसमें है.
इस किताब, जैसे आपने कहा कि हर तरह की, जिस तरह की बातें, जैसे कास्टिंग हो गया या ऑडिशन हो गया, इम्तिहान हो गया, आप कितनी फायदेमंद रहेगी किताब उन लोगों के लिए जो संघर्ष कर रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री में?
नहीं, वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि फायदेमंद है. बिकॉज वो जब ये किताब पढ़ेंगे तो मेरे ख्याल से उनको लगेगा कि अरे, ये जो बातें मैं सोचता रहता हूँ उनके बारे में किसी ने बताया है, और किसी ऐसे ने बताया है जिसके पास पर्सनली तो वक्त नहीं है कि हर से जाके बात करे, बट जो इस दौर से गुजर चुका है. सो इट इज़ हेल्पफुल. ये नहीं बताया जा रहा है इसमें कि आपको एक्टिंग करनी कैसे है, वो तो भाई आपके अंदर है. पर इसमें ये बताया जा रहा है कि जो बाहर की चीज़ें हैं जिससे आप डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो सकते हैं, या जिससे आप कुछ बेटर कर सकते हैं, वो कैसे करनी है.
ओके, एक्ट्रेस तो बेहतरीन है ही, तो इसका एज अ राइटर किस तरह देखते हैं, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस किताब के बाद? एक्टिंग स्मार्ट
पढ़ ली वो किताब तो बताइए.
नहीं, मैंने पूरी तरह से किताब नहीं पढ़ी है, मैंने थोड़ा बस ग्लांस किया, क्योंकि अभी नई आई है. एंड मगर मुझे पता है, जितना भी थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा है मैंने, और जो इनसे बातें की है, जो इनकी सोच है, अक्ल है, वो काफ़ी उम्दा है. तो आई एम श्योर शी इज़ डन अ ग्रेट जॉब. आई एम श्योर दैट. और ये वैसे भी हिंदू कॉलेज की हैं, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर किया उन्होंने, तो होना ही अच्छा इनको.
इसका आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे, इम्तियाज भी बड़े बुद्धिजीवी हैं और बहुत मुश्किल से कहीं जाते हैं, बड़ा मुश्किल होता है ना कहीं बुलाना एज ए गेस्ट, जिस लिहाज से भी आप बुलाएं. इन्हें कितना कितना कन्विंसिंग रहा इनके लिए, इनको यहाँ आना और एकदम से राजी हो
मेरे
गए?
पास बहुत एक आसान तरीका था इन्हें ब्लैकमेल करने का। मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से छुपा के रखा था, मैंने वो कार्ड यूज़ किया तो बहुत इजीली आ गया। वो बता नहीं सकती,
अब बता देंगे तो फिर
ये कार्ड ही क्या रहेगा ना, मतलब फिर आप लोग भी।
इम्तियाज़, ये आपकी लाइफ में ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि आप किसी ने बोला है एक्टिंग स्मार्ट, यू आर एक्टिंग स्मार्ट?
ऑफ कोर्स बहुत बार बोला है लोगों ने,
और आपने कभी किसी को?
ऑफ कोर्स आगे भी बोलूँगा। थैंक यू।
फोटोज
अभी ट्राई बोर्ड
If you knew it, he would become an actor himself like he wanted to.
मैम यहाँ पे
संजू, संजू आ जाओ, उनको भी किताब दे दो।
look straight, ma'am. Ma'am, over here. Ma'am, look straight. Ma'am, यहाँ पर। नहीं। कौन सा शॉट है? यार ले यही दुनिया बुक के भी छोड़ दो यार। क्या? बुक का छोड़ मारना है। मेरे को इसमें नहीं है। इसमें ही है। क्या हुआ? बुक तो छोड़ दो जरा। बुक तो छोड़। मर जाएगा ये।